Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. And in today's video, we're going to be trying new curly hairstyles for a week. Yes, for 5 days that I may or may not have already done before. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, today's day 1. It's currently Saturday, and here's the hairstyle we're going to be attempting. Okay, I already pre-prepped my hair, so if you want to see how I pre-prepped it, please check out my curly hair routine video. It is going to be already out by the time this video comes out. So I recently got a haircut, so I also don't want to split my ends. What I'm seeing is it's a part, it's braids, and then it's a half up, half down. This is me pre-warning you that for this hairstyle, you're going to need 2 scrunchies, hair gel, and hair oil. Part it right here. Follow that same exact routine, but on the other side. Boom. So now we have the hair is tied, as y'all can see. We have the 2 front pieces out, as y'all see, and we have it parted. What you can do is kind of like brush the hairs forward, like I'm doing, and try to get it aiming for like the center, because this is how it's gonna fall. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. The scrunchie you already have, just tie that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna throw this to the back of your head, grab some gel, and then you're just gonna put it on those 2 pieces only. Sit behind your ear a little bit. The 2 pieces you just slipped. Important part, you're going to pick this up, throw it over, and you're gonna tie the 2. Nice and slick down. Now you take up this green ponytail right here, and now you have to give yourself a half up here, and you're going to kind of wrap it to the front. Not accidentally take this, just tie up the hairs that are still out. Now you're going to unravel. You're going to take some more gel. You're going to grab the hairs that are out, and with the gel, you're going to get the roots. But the half up, half down is slick. So now you're going to take the scrunchie you had holding it here, and you're going to do it here. What you're going to do is you're going to take 2 bobby pins. Take 1 bobby pin, and bobby pin this down. And then you should have a bobby pin right here. Make sure the bobby pin faces downward. Last part is we're gonna add some oil to all my curls. And this is the final hairstyle. So it is a half up, half down with the 2 front center pieces laid down and then 2 curls out. See y'all for day 2. Okay guys, it is currently day 2, which is Sunday, and we're going to be doing the 2nd hairstyle. And I'm just taking out the previous hairstyle. I did want to go with a more simpler hairstyle for today, but also so that way I can reuse my hair and just wash it tomorrow. So this is what we're going to be working with. This hairstyle is going to be simple, so what you're going to do, you're going to take from right here, and you're going to kind of do exactly what we did on day 1. So use your ear as like a guide. Like go behind your ear, go straight up to that line we just made. And that's all the hair you're going to be taking. I'm going to tie this hair up. So now we should have it parted. And now pretty much we're going to do whatever we did on this side on the other side. I'm going to take a scrunchie to tie up the back. So now I have these 2, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spray bottle and spray the front. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush up. So this is pretty much just brushed. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side. gonna take out the back. I'm actually gonna put my own spin on this hairstyle, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the front, twist it, bring it to the back, just because it did look kind of weird. So we are gonna put some bobby pins, place down these right here. It's just a twist off of the hairstyle we were originally supposed to do. This is the final hairstyle. Super cute. Okay guys, so see y'all for day 3. Day 3. It is currently Monday. Today we're going to be doing this hairstyle. And yes, we're actually going to be doing this hairstyle, and no, I'm not going to be switching it up. I wasn't very confident later on in today about day 2's hairstyle, so that was a bummer. I obviously can't see it, so if it's not straight, we're going to pretend like it's straight. So we basically have one side tied up, and then we have the other side loose. Kind of goddess braid styled. So as you can see here, we have one side done, and now we're going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to add some oil. For that extra sleek look. And yeah guys, this is my final hairstyle. I have these 2 high ponytails with some pieces out to make it look super cute and girly. And later on tomorrow I'm going to add very cute bows so that way I can make it stand out. Okay guys, so that is the end of day 3's hairstyle, and stay tuned for tomorrow. So it is currently day 4, meaning we have one more day left until the ending of this video. For day 4's hairstyle, we're going to be attempting to do this. I did make content yesterday, and I don't remember if I mentioned it in the video, but I made a gaming video, my very first one. And no, I'm not going to be washing my hair, so I just took my hair out of yesterday's hairstyle. I feel like this is a good zigzag part. I'm going to be parting my hair. Going to be tying it. I need to part half of it. So we part it half here, or like half but going into the center, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna twist them like so. This in the front of my forehead so I don't lose the part since it's zigzagged. Then I'm gonna take the remaining, because this is actually going to be going up like so. And if you want, you can actually pull more into it. I'm gonna spray it. Tie that whole section into a ponytail. Next, I'm going to take this front section out. I'm going to spray it. Spray the roots. I'm just going to brush down. Apply just a little bit of mousse to keep it down. And I'm just going to apply that there. Make sure your crisscross is really crisp. Now this girl does have strands out, but I don't want to add strands out, so I will not be adding strands out, but you can add strands. It is optional. Ponytail that was holding all your hair. And that's going to actually cover it all. And now we're gonna just refresh these curls. I'm gonna be using water. Okay guys, so I just refreshed my hair, and this hairstyle is actually very, very, very cute. It was super simple and easy, and I think this is such a cute summer hairstyle to do. I really like it, whether the pieces are there or not. Okay guys, see you guys for day 5, which would be the last day. Bye! Which will be the final day of this 5-day challenge. We're going to be doing this hairstyle. It is super simple but cute. Well, first we need to do a straight middle part, which I already have going on. I'm gonna tie this, and I already pre-prepped my hair as per usual. We're gonna gel it up. Well, there is no pieces out, but there is a piece here. That is all prepped. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay guys, so both sides look exactly the same. Just didn't put the bobby pin, but so you're gonna make a bun, and you're gonna stop right here. And I think I'm gonna do light buns. Up, so I'm just gonna twist it around once, and when you get to the twice of the round, keep it facing up and tie it twice, and boom, you have the other side with the curl. To do this, which is a twist, which is a curl. This hairstyle is probably the most simplest and easiest one to do. It is super cute and simple if you want to do something quick and easy to go out and enjoy your day. I personally really love this hairstyle, and it is one of my favorites out of all the hairstyles that we have done this week. So guys, this is the end of the video, and now let's get into the outro. This is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you want to get notifications when I post videos. I post videos every Monday and Friday. I have been posting shorts, so please go check those out. I do have back to school content coming out real soon, so please stay tuned. Okay, bye guys!